Aloha YouTube!
It is our 3 years today, and we're going to go to the zoo.
The Brevard Zoo.
Yes,
you
but
excited?
first we need to do some gift
Yeah,
exchanging.
we need to do some.
Here's your gift.
So who's open, who's first? Rock, paper, scissors? 2 out of 3.
Okay. You did that on purpose.
How do you purposely lose at rock, paper, scissors? Like, you go at the same exact time. You
Okay,
can't do that.
okay.
You ready, Robyn?
I'm ready.
Yes, so excited.
Should I read the note first?
It's a long note.
Okay. This will be gone
Be gone by the end of the
very
day.
fast. Thanks, babe.
No problem. I love you. You got any air freshener, babe?
Yeah, babe.
Oh, babe. Oh, babe. Thanks. Now my car's not gonna smell like ass.
Yeah.
You got a gift card.
Yeah.
New $4.90. We're grubbing on the way to the zoo. We're grubbing on the way to the zoo, babe.
Mm-hmm.
We're grubbing. The best for last.
Take card.
The gift cards. We're on our way to the zoo. We're walking.
We're walking to the zoo.
We're walking. We're walking to the zoo.
Yeah.
About 3 hours away.
Mm-hmm.
That's fine. We're ready. We're committed to see
Yeah.
these animals. What time is it right now? It's early.
Got us some shaky minis. Look at how perfect they look. They look like baby
So
butts.
nice. I got some Chick-fil-A sauce.
We are here at the Brevard Zoo now. We need to enter.
We haven't entered yet.
Pay
We're just in
our
the
tickets.
we're in the Brevard Zoo parking lot.
Yeah,
Hey, your
I
kids.
like this parking lot.
Hey, your kids.
These things are so cute. What are they doing? Look at him.
They're looking at those birds. There's a bird flying.
He's so cute. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, these things. There's one up there too. And there's a bunch over there. They're so cute. Rhinos. Oh snap. Oh snap. I did not even see that one. That's so
huge.
that thing. Look at, there's zebras in the back. Mr. Rhino. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Short.
But he had his little head up.
Yeah, so they have a
Get in. So cute.
Yeah, they see. They see.
They're so cute. Look at his spots. Look at it. Oh, look at the baby.
Every time I've come here, he's come. Every single time.
And he's not happy.
Hi, baby.
Hi, baby. So cute.
Look at the size of his head.
They're all got a whole family going on.
So now there's some lemurs
I like lemurs.
showing.
You
That
know
one's
these-
on the move.
These boys remind me of the one
Madagascar.
Madagascar. That's what it is. Enjoy.
Look at them. They're so cute. Oh my gosh. Here's the seagulls. Oh, they out of here. Aw.
That's she was gonna have to do.
Wow. Wow. Oh.
Oh, they're fighting.
Wow.
I know that it was there, you know.
What the? That thing's ugly.
That's mean.
Ew, this thing's uglier. Blech. You're ugly. Ew. That thing thinks she's a snack. That thing thinks she's a food. Oh hell no. Oh hell no. Oh god. Bird feeding time. I'm ready for you to eat my food.
Eat some
Come
nectar.
to my food.
Eat our juices.
Come to me. Oh.
Ah! Hey, look! Hey, look!
Oh. It's no fair. You're gonna drink all my juice. You need to come here. Oh.
I'll bring him to you.
Oh. Oh my god! Look at its tongue! You're so funny! Shut up.
Settle down.
Look at its tongue! They're silly. He's like, yeah, food,
Get
yeah.
those moves.
Yeah.
Ow!
Yeah. He's swaying. He's like, boom, boom. That one's dancing. Look at his tongue. They're so funny.
You didn't
Let's share, you guys. Let's bring some to this guy. You want some? Oh, if that thing poops on me, Sebastian? Sebastian?
and put a bird on her head. On her head. That was
What the I told you!
that was the one above you. Where did it go? Where'd it go?
It's on my boob. It's
It is?
warm.
Robyn got pooped on.
Oh my god, that thing's trying to... I quit, man. This is not good. Is there poop in my hair? If I get pooped on again, bro. Oh.
Not the one that I put on your head, don't worry. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. I can't do
Don't
this.
bite my finger.
There's poop on my freaking shirt and it's warm. These things fly so fast.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna get hit. What is that? What is that? Okay, bird, you're coming with me. Let's put him in my backpack. You made
Robyn
a
got pooped on.
bird. What is that thing? It has a mohawk. What the fuck?
Dude, that thing could not fly. That thing was
Sebastian,
struggling.
look, it's like,
It's not that bad.
I don't know where the rest of it went, but there was a lot more than that.
Yeah, I could have sworn I saw a lot more fall. Robyn
I
got pooped
still
on
have more nectar. How many times are you gonna tell them?
until they remember.
They're gonna remember because I'm gonna remember. They're so cute, you guys. They're so colorful and cute.
Guess what?
And their
have a bird
tongues are
fight.
so funny. Oh, they just talk to each other. They're like, hey, y'all. Oh.
Oh my god! What's happening?
What is happening? Oh, I don't have any more. They don't love me.
They ditched you.
Wait, come on, take a photo. They think I have some. Now we're gonna go feed these other birds with some seed sticks. Look, they're so cute. Whoa.
Relax.
Something's at my foot. This thing's at my foot. He's pecking my leg.
He likes people. He really does.
So cute. Do you like my leg? Yeah.
He probably is very happy you're not running away. Most of the kids run away, and the startled motions just make it more.
Make it more excited.
He's so cute. Yeah. Oh, this one's white.
Whoa.
Hey, dude. What's up? Stop, that hurts. Stop. Guys, I'm getting tortured. What the heck?
Who's that guy? Whoa, this guy stepped on my stick.
Hi, baby.
Whoa! These guys are attacking my stick.
This thing was attacking my leg.
Relax, relax. Babe, look at this.
Oh my god. I'm gonna hold it like that. Oh, he's drinking water. Look at this one. He's white with pink cheeks. You guys are cute. Oh snap. We found the kangaroos. Oh snap. He's gonna square up. Sebastian. Sebastian, they go through the fence. Look at it. Look at it. That one's pregnant. It probably has a baby.
No, it has a baby in it.
This one has a baby in it. Oh my god.
That baby's getting off the floor.
Guys, the baby. Look at the baby. That one looks miserable.
Yeah, he looks unhappy.
Oh my god, it just like hangs. What the heck? Thing looks like an alien. What is that thing? Ah! Ew, its nose is wet. Oh, it snorted. Some fatties up in here. Oh my god. Can you guys even imagine that thing coming at you? Gonna look at
Oh, we're gonna look at Ooters.
Ooters. Cute, so cute. He's looking over here like,
Hello,
who are you?
Ooter.
He's only one?
He's blinking a lot.
Look at that one!
You didn't see him?
No!
He's looking up here.
He's so cute!
He's blinking.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! He's so cute! Oh my god! That one's like, get off me.
Oh, he's gone.
Oh!
He just wanted to get him wet.
He's so cute.
I don't have food. You're tiny. Leaves.
Dead leaves.
Right there.
Oh! So guys, there's the alligator's nose.
That's big.
What the heck? You stick my phone in. Got it.
And my mother won't let me do that. I can't jump off the sofa. Other smart mammal. Oh, they're looking.
Wow, he's licking a block of ice. Oh wait, there's fish in it. There's fish in his ice cube. What the heck? Oh. Still grabbing on icy fish.
Ice fish.
How's everything with you? Good morning.
Good morning.
This is Goofy.
So
You say hello,
cute.
Goof? Hello. Good
Oh my
bird. Good bird. That was good. High five. Good bird. We're on our way back to the Lanza Change. He lives right outside the aviary if you want to stop by and say hi to him. Okay?
Aww.
Ready, buddy?
Hello. 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 Speak to me. Speak. Bye. Bye bye. Bye. I want to do it.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Watch him jump. Watch him jump. Do it. Do it.
Great job, guys.
Look at his tongue. He's so cute. He's so cute.
Are they goats, babe?
Yeah.
Hello, alpaca. How are you, Mr. Alpaca? Nubian goat. I like their ears.
Wait. They're so cute. I like this one. It's chubby.
Oh, he's wanting to get down. He's like, come here, come here.
Look at all those chickens.
Birdie! Come on, Birdie!
Hello. Hello, Mr. Alpaca.
I'm scared. They're all coming out. Wait. Maybe I can pet it while it eats. Oh, it's so soft. Ooh la la. It's so soft.
Another alpaca.
It's so cute.
It's Cusco.
That goat reminds me of that one goat out of that scary movie.
Philip. Black Philip.
Yeah.
Chicken. Hello, little chicken. Pretty cool, all these fishes in here, huh?
No, I've been in there before. It's very scary.
Look at the stingray. It's coming.
Whoa! Watch out, I've been in there.
Look at the stingray. Holy crap. Whoa, guys. You don't understand how big this thing is. Sebastian, look.
Well, that's it. The zoo is over. We went to the gift shop. Didn't buy anything because everything's still overpriced.
Yeah, no. We're gonna buy our puppy a
Stuffed animals.
a
from-
little stuffed animal, but
Walgreens.
literally like a freaking stuffed animal was like $13 for this little tiny thing.
There was one
So it's
stuffed
like,
animal that
no.
was this big.
Yeah, and it was $70.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna go get some food because we're hungry. Sebastian's always hungry.
What do you mean? I'm not the one that said I wanted food. I wanted my Reese's, and that was it. You the
I
one
want
that wanted
Sakura.
food. You did. You always want Sakura.
Chinese food is good.
So we're in the car now. We're gonna thinking of getting. What are we getting, babe? You want to get what?
I don't know.
Sounds good. Sounds good. I want to get some tropical smoothie.
I don't like tropical smoothie.
I just want a smoothie. That's all I want. Smoothies fill you up, especially if you get like a good one.
We got some McWangs. I got 10 dirty chicken nuggets. A wang. A wang.
Oh, it's
And I got a chicken snap wrap.
good stuff. Delicious stuff. Delicious.
I want
Delicious.
more.
You guys some of my chicken nuggets, my dirty ones.
Okay, guys, so we did go fishing and we completely forgot to vlog it, but now we're gonna go to sleep. So yeah.
Too tired. We woke up too early today. This is too early for me.
And yeah, I feel so sick. My throat hurts so bad.
I think it's the
It's the
bird
bird
poop.
poop.
The bird poop, definitely.
Yeah, I know.
The bird poop gave you a disease. No, let's not say that. Knock on wood.
What?
Where's the wood? What is... That's good. Alrighty, guys.
So
If you guys enjoyed this video
of our
3-year
3 years.
anniversary
And
vlog.
Papita has been here for a year of it.
Yes, Papita. Welcome to the club.
3 years.
Oh, alright, guys. If you guys
That's
enjoyed it,
Time to sleep.
hasta mañana. Like, subscribe, comment down below for more. That's about it.